Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 1.4 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is find the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example, and once it's open and visible on your screen, press power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go, there is our screenshot. Now the screenshot, once you capture, can be found in your photo application. If I can actually locate it. Can't actually locate it. What the? Where is it? Oh, there we go, gallery. So, as you can see, there is our screenshot. So, there we go. That's how you capture a screenshot. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.